In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a refund paid to a customer in Zoho Books. If you've ever found yourself needing to process a refund and weren't quite sure how to document it properly in Zoho Books, this guide is for you. We'll break it down step by step so you can follow along easily. Let's dive right into it. Start by navigating to your Zoho Books dashboard. From here, locate and click on the Sales tab. This is where you'll find all your sales-related documents, including invoices and credit notes. Once you're in the Sales section, direct your attention to the Credit Notes option and click on it. Credit notes are essentially documents that you issue to your customers when you need to refund them for a purchase, so this will be our primary focus today. Next, look for the New button, usually located at the top right corner, and click on it. This is where you'll create a new credit note. In the next step, you'll need to choose a customer. This means selecting the specific customer whom you are issuing the refund. Zoho Books typically provides a drop-down list or a search bar, making it easy for you to find the right customer. After selecting the customer, it's time to choose a credit note date. This date should reflect when the refund process begins, so make sure you align it with your refund approval or processing date. It's always a good practice to keep this accurate for your records. Now direct your focus to the Item table. In this section, you'll enter the items or services that the refund pertains to. It's crucial to provide detailed and accurate information here. You'll specify any quantities and prices, ensuring that your record is exact. This helps in preventing any mix-up and ensures your documentation is thorough. Once you've entered all necessary details, click on Save as Open. This action records your new credit note in the system while allowing further adjustments until it's finalized. It's an excellent feature, keeping your records flexible until you're completely sure that everything is in order. With your credit note saved, you'll then click on More Actions, and from the drop-down menu, select Refund. This step signifies that you are officially recording the action of refunding the customer. Follow through with any prompts or additional information required to complete this section of the process. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a refund paid to a customer in Zoho Books. Following these steps should make the process smooth and error-free, ensuring that your refund is accurately documented. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. See you in the next video.